there are so many colorful things here. I don't know where to look at. You know, there are some clothes here and some souvenirs bhi hai, or like food bhi hai. It's so eventful, and right now there are some charpais here. I think they are called charpais in Urdu, and there's a lassi stall, and I have never tried lassi, so I'm going to sit, take a small break and drink some lassi. Come with me.
जी वालेकुम सलाम।
क्या हाल है आपका?
मैं ठीक ठाक हूँ, आप कैसी हैं?
मेरे बच्चों की ये क्या है?
ये साग है।
ये साग है?
जी।
ये सब्जी है और
सब्जी
ये
है,
सब्जी है।
सब्जी है।
Oh guys, I have never tried this before in my life and I can't wait to try. और ये क्या है?
ये रोटी है।
ये रोटी है? और इसमें क्या क्या है? ये प्लेन है और सब्जी है और इसमें क्या है?
सब्जी नहीं है,
प्लेन वाला है।
प्लेन वाला है।
Okay, so I have never tried this again, and I'm gonna try ये वाला और ये वाला, okay? And do you have lassi here? यहाँ lassi
Yes,
है?
लस्सी है, बटर है।
Oh, okay, I want to try that too. So guys, I have so many things to try. I'm gonna try all of them, but most importantly, first of all, I'm gonna try lassi because I heard that lassi is so popular in Pakistan. So let's try it. ये salty है, ये नमकीन वाला है?
जी,
और
नमकीन
वाला है। Okay. Okay, give me 1 cup, please. बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, now I got my lassi, and I'm gonna try it, and it looks like milk to me, but let's try. Okay, I should tell you one thing. We have this in Turkey. Turkey में लस्सी भी होती है, लेकिन इसका नाम लस्सी नहीं है, ayran है. So this is the similar one. Actually, this is the same one, and it is so delicious. Has arrived, and I'm sitting here on a traditional couch. I forgot the name of this, but I call it traditional couch, and I feel like I'm in a village right now, even though I'm in Lahore. Guys, so I have parathas here, and yahan saag bhi hai, and there is a little bit butter in it. I'm not sure what is this, but I think this is like kind of pickle. And yaha lassi bhi hai, or we can say ayran because we also have it in Turkey, as I told you before. So I'm gonna try all of them. First, I would like to start with this because I have tried so many parathas here in Pakistan, but I have never tried such a paratha. I'm not sure whether I'm doing the right thing here, but this is really nice. ये थोड़ी सी spicy है मेरे लिए, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा है. It's really delicious. चाची के लस्सी के साथ बहुत अच्छा combination है. These ones, it's really good. So if you have time, you should also come and try this delicious food here. guys, रात हो गई है, and as you can see, it's getting more and more crowded here, and you can find so many things here, whatever you want. You can find food, clothes, jewelry, even shoes, and some home exercise and everything. And I'm enjoying my moment here because I can see different cultures from all over Pakistan in only one single place. मेरे साथ एक प्यारी बच्ची मौजूद है अभी. So how are you? कैसा हो, क्या हाल है? आपका नाम क्या है?
लाइबा.
लाइबा, बहुत अच्छा नाम है. लाइबा, आपकी उम्र क्या है? 10 years old. Are you a student? Okay, where do you study? Which school? कौन सा स्कूल में पढ़ती हो?
हिमायत इस्लाम.
Okay, in Lahore, Lahore में. Okay, do you have sisters or brothers? आपके पास sister है or like brother है? One sister? No sister? Two sisters. Okay, so are you enjoying here? Enjoy कर रही हो? Yes? Okay, I love your bangles. Show it to the camera. She is wearing such a beautiful ring here and beautiful bangles. I'm also wearing, see? Wow, do you like such? And you're like a princess. So I want you to do one thing for me, okay? Look at the camera and say bye. Okay, bye. Shukriya, thank you so much for your time. आप यहाँ खेल रही हो? Are you playing here? हाँ, okay. और आपका नाम क्या है? Hania. Or yours? Hania. And yours? Mira, can I hug you? Can you hug me? Can you hug me? Okay, thank you so much. Are you having fun here? Yes. Oh, what about you? You should also come. Aja. Come. Oh, okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Thank you. So beautiful. Okay. Wow. आपने
बैम्बू क्राफ्ट.
Bamboo craft?
यस,
आप
मैंने
खुद
खुद
से बनाया?
खुद बनाते हैं.
Oh, this is so difficult. बहुत मुश्किल है
जी,
ये.
बहुत मुश्किल है.
How long did it take for you to make it?
2 piece 1 days.
और क्या क्या बनाया यहाँ?
ये चाइनीज पकोड़ा.
Oh wow. ये भी शीप है.
चाइनीज पकोड़ा.
हाँ.
दिस वाज शिप नाइट लैम्प.
Night lamp. ये
Night
night lamp है.
yeah.
Wow.
दिस इज ऑल नाइट लैम्प.
Okay. Can you
Yes.
try? Can you turn it on?
लाइट अभी आया नहीं है.
Okay.
लोड शेडिंग हो रही है.
Okay. What else did you make it here?
यस.
और
ये छोटे घर है.
This is so nice, guys. Look at them. And I'm sure it's so difficult to make them. Look at this. ये इतना detailed है. Like it's so detailed. It's so beautiful. And what about these ones? I like them. बहुत प्यारा है ये. आपने खुद बनाया ये? नहीं?
No.
Okay.
This is machine craft.
ये machine craft है.
Yes, this is hand craft.
Okay. Very good. और mirror भी है यहाँ. Wow.
This इधर फोटो फ्रेम,
हाँ.
पिक्चर्स.
आप ये कब से कर?
40 साल.
40 साल.
40 years.
बहुत लंबा.
Yes, बहुत लंबा अरसा किया है मैंने.
बहुत लंबा साल है. Okay. Oh, you can do it like this. You can close it and you can open it as well. Guys, now it's on. You can see all of them here. They are colorful here. और फेस्टिवल के बाद आप कहाँ?
इसके बाद हम अपने शॉप पे,
आपका शॉप कहाँ है?
ये एड्रेस लिखा हुआ है।
चुबुर्ज, वो कहाँ है?
ये इधर नजदीक ही है।
यहाँ नजदीक है।
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so guys, if you want to buy something like this, you can visit him and his store. Thank you so much. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। Guys, look at this. This is so beautiful, isn't it? ये क्या है?
ये शर्ट पीस है, ये टोटली हैंडमेड है, आर के काम
Handmade है। ये दुपट्टा नहीं है?
नहीं, दुपट्टा नहीं, ये शर्ट पीस है
Wow, it's so beautiful. How much is this?
ये 1500 की है।
1500 है। और ये क्या है ये?
ये 2 पीस सूट है, मुकेश पे ना, हैंडमेड मुकेश लगी हुई है, 3500।
सारे शलवार कमीज है यहाँ?
हाँ, ये सारे शलवार कमीज है और वो पीछे शर्ट्स लगी हुई है सारी।
Wow, यहाँ है?
हाँ जी।
ये वाला। Okay, so it's really good to see you here because it's my first time seeing a woman owner, a दुकान owner actually. आपका दुकान कहाँ है?
मैं एबटाबाद से बिलोंग करती हूँ, एबटाबाद से।
Wow, all the way you came here?
जी।
Wow, बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. Guys, it was really nice to see a woman shop owner here and everything here is so colorful. I love wearing shalwar kameez and Pakistani style clothes. And sometimes, in our episodes, I also wear, some Pakistani dresses as well. For example, today, I'm wearing something Pakistani too. And it's great to be here. Let's explore more. चाची के लस्सी के साथ बहुत अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है these ones. It's really good. टर्की में लस्सी भी होती है लेकिन इसका नाम लस्सी नहीं है, आयरन है. So this is the similar one. Actually, this is the same one and it is so delicious.